Welcome to this video guide on comparing pay as a temporary agency worker versus a direct hire in the UK for 2026. We will examine pay timing, take-home earnings, and the various trade-offs involved beyond just the headline salary. A common myth is that permanent jobs always pay more. However, the more important question is, which employment model best fits your specific financial goals, your required hours, and your overall costs? To make a fair comparison, let's follow the career path of one worker, James, who is a construction laborer. We will evaluate his experience through both the temporary agency route and the direct hire route. First, let's look at James as a temporary agency worker. For temps, speed is a significant factor, as an agency assignment can often bridge the gap quickly between finishing one project and starting the next. One notable feature of temp work is the frequency of pay. Being paid weekly can certainly make budgeting easier, but remember that the total amount remains dependent on your hours worked and your hourly rate. Now consider James if he receives a direct hire offer. Moving into a permanent contract changes the rhythm of your work life, typically shifting you to a single employer and a consistent monthly pay cycle. With a monthly salary, money arrives less frequently. This requires more careful planning, as the duration between paydays is something you must account for when managing your monthly expenses. When performing an hourly rate comparison between temp and permanent work, remember that the true value is calculated by looking at the rate, the expected hours, paid time, and any additional benefits included in the package. When assessing weekly earnings, remember that temp pay fluctuates based on hours worked, while an annual salary offers a more spread out, even distribution of income. Always compare consistent hours when evaluating your potential total earnings. An annual salary is not everything. To get an accurate comparison, you must look beyond the headline income and include essential factors like costs, paid leave, benefits, and potential gaps between assignments. Consider overtime opportunities. Temporary workers often have access to more total hours, which can lift overall earnings, though the trade-off is the extra time and physical energy required. Holiday pay is another crucial factor. Be sure to understand your specific entitlement and how holiday pay is presented on your payslip, as this will impact your actual take-home pay. Flexible working allows you to choose your schedule, which can protect your time. However, be aware that this level of flexibility can sometimes make your overall income less predictable throughout the year. When looking at permanent roles, consider the full range of benefits. Pensions, paid training, and comprehensive coverage can add significant value to your total package, even if the headline salary appears lower initially. Finally, remember that temp work offers its own distinct benefits, such as rapid work opportunities, variety, and the ability to keep your professional options open while you evaluate different paths. When a work assignment ends, the critical question is how quickly you can secure your next role. Always ask your agency about notice periods, their current project pipeline, and the expected downtime between assignments to avoid financial gaps. Job security is a major consideration. Stability and flexibility are tools to solve different life problems. Compare the protection that a permanent role offers against the ease of access to new opportunities that temp work provides. Temp work offers the freedom to change jobs without long-term commitment. While this can broaden your experience, frequent moves require careful planning. Keep your records, references, and savings ready to ensure a smooth transition between every role. Can temp workers build a meaningful career? Yes, progression is possible in both routes. The key is to ensure your skills, responsibilities, and results are visible. Track your achievements after every role to support your growth. Certain industries pay temps particularly well, such as construction, warehousing, healthcare, hospitality, office support, and logistics. Remember that demand changes by region, sector, and season. Always base your decision on local vacancies rather than national assumptions. Don't assume permanent jobs are always cheaper. Travel, meals, parking, and equipment costs can significantly narrow the gap between two offers. Always subtract these recurring expenses before comparing your actual take-home pay. A good agency is there to support you. They can make finding work easier by helping you search, prepare, and move between assignments quickly. Ask about the level of support they provide before, during, and after your placement. For a real income comparison, use a full-year view. This helps smooth out pay cycle differences. When you compare temp versus direct hire, look at the total pay, benefits, potential unpaid gaps, and all work-related costs over the year. Which lifestyle fits you best? Everyone is different. Your current schedule, number of dependents, savings buffer, and career stage will change which option is better. Make your decision based on your own situation for the next 12 months. The pros of temp work include the benefit of weekly pay, flexibility in your schedule, variety in the work you do, and quick hiring processes. Use these features to determine if they align with your immediate financial needs. On the other hand, the pros of permanent work include long-term stability, clear career progression, added benefits, pension contributions, and access to training. These are crucial factors if you are looking for long-term growth. A common mistake is comparing only the base salary. Pause and look at all the variables. Deductions, hours, and hidden costs can mean that a higher headline number still produces a smaller final result in your pocket. So who actually earns more? The honest answer is that the higher earner is simply the route that provides the better total package for your specific situation. Judge the package, the hours, and the costs as a single unit. The final verdict is that it depends entirely on your goals. Flexibility, stability, earnings, and growth rarely rank equally for everyone. Choose the route that matches your personal priorities for the coming year. Ready for better opportunities? Find your next job today. Compare real offers, ask better questions, and pick the route that fits your life. Don't forget to subscribe for more career advice, and like or share this video.